what we got over here? Justin's bogged.
Seemed like a good idea at the time.
Thought he could jump it. There's a nice little, probably about 30 centimetre Australian bass on the snakehead with the bad shad. There's a bad shad. They're a pretty little fish. Just on the snake over there, threw in the surface Z-Man first, had a boil, threw in the snakehead straight after it, let it sink where he boiled, and hooked him up. So that's probably another technique worth trying, is switching it once you've had a surface hit. We'll get a couple of photos of it and get him back in. I think I'd learnt my lesson from KFT that these things are evil creatures.
Yeah.
There's a little bream on the snakehead. There's been noticing heaps of mullet in this system, and this bad shad is a pretty close representation of what they are. And this little bream decided he wanted it. He's got some nasty looking chompers on him. They are nasty teeth. Pretty little dude. So we pulled the kayaks just up onto this bank and we're just flicking grubs for bream. It's slowed down a bit as the tide's bottomed out. We think once the tide turns and the run starts again, the bream should come back on. But it's a nice little place. Water's flowing around this corner, and got a bream off that snag just over there. Just a little bream on the Z-Man grubs. It's only a tiny little dude, but he's a pretty little fish. So I'll just put him back in the water. Quite a distance downstream now, and getting a lot more bream. Using the Z-Man grubs, tiny little jig head, just casting it into the snags and picking up a few of these little guys. They're only small, but it's still good fun. When the tide changes, we're going to head back up, hopefully get onto a few more bass. So we'll throw this bloke back. So that's the Z-Man grubs, little 2.5 inch grub, nice little fluttering action on the tail, great little lure. You just put a little bit of super glue at the back of their head and they'll stay on your hook for you. So we'll get it back out there and we might get another one.